What Yana did surprised me actually kung sana nung pagtapos ng performance. Nagulat ako kasi kaya pala ni Yana 'yun. Kaya niya palang magbigay ng ganong bigat sa isang song na ganon. Sabi ko nga, lagi ko sinasabi to when you guys come in and interview me. These kids are super talented for them to show their emotion through the song. Si Yana, nandun eh. Naramdaman ko yung laman ng puso niya. Nakaupo ako dito. Habang pinapakinggan ko siya, may kilabot eh. May goosebumps na dumadaloy sa katawan ko. Na, grabe. It's such a simple but strong performance. Progress ni Yana for me is that she I feel like nagamay niya na. Nagamay niya na yung stage, nagamay niya na yung feeling na mag-perform doon. Kasi when she performs, nandun na sa kanya yung yung confidence na, alam mo yun, pag nandun na sa mabigat na emotional parts ng song, may swag din eh, may karga. And it's really nice to see na these kids grow towards the end of the competition kasi nakikita mo na besides the production team and everyone who helps these kids to become better, yung mga natuturo namin is getting somewhere, and it's a proud moment for us.